Hey everyone, I am back with another tutorial today. It's been a little while since I've posted, so I'm super excited to get back into nail art. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll be doing it on regular polish and ColorStreet. So today I'm wearing KB Shimmer nail polish. And this is, I never would have guessed. This is an older polish, I'd say like 3 years maybe, but it's a really pretty brown. And then I am using Yappa nail polish. This is Mom. I love this one. It's a beautiful color. So for this, I have a dry base on there, which is this one, the pretty brown. So you just need a little sponge and you just get it with a little polish. I already did these fingers, so I'm just going to show you on my thumb. I'm just going around the outside kind of to frame it, just like that, just to give it a little texture. And then I'm going back in with the brown, just because I've noticed my other fingers I kind of covered it up too much, and I still want that pretty holographic brown, so I'm just kind of tapping it in the middle to let it shine through and to get it back. And then closing the lid so I don't spill it, I'm using 2 plates today. Chic Beauty, that's how you spell it, uberchicbeauty.com. This is the new mini plate from, it's Hello Fall and Pumpkin Spice 2. So I'm using this little cup here. It's a little layer. And then I am using Jingle All the Way. It's a Christmas plate. I don't remember which year this came out, but it's still available. I'm going to use Have a Cup of Cheer. I'm so excited. I got some Christmas plates and the new Thanksgiving one. This one, Give Thanks. It's super cute. I have the first one as well. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So for this one, you don't need any latex because as you can see the image is small. And so I'm going to get started. I'm using Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polish. 10% off code is Yvonne. So you want to do this top piece first. I'm doing it as like a whipped cream. I'm not a big pumpkin spice person, but I know a lot are. So you can make it pumpkin spice, apple cider, whatever you drink. Coffee even. And so because the base is dark, I'm going to stamp the cup in white first. You can do that when you have a dark base. You can stamp your image in white and then whatever color you want, stamp on top. So you need to line that up right above below the whipped cream. And then you can go back in with whatever color you'd like. So I'm going to do, let's see, I did blue, orange. I think I'll do a pink color. I'll do this one, number 71. The blue that I used was 97. The orange was 22. And then the black and white is 1 and 2. Let me just shake this and I'll be right back. Alright. So that's mixed up now, and I'm just going to apply it to the cup. Lightly scrape and pick up. And I don't like how that picked up. It has a little triangle right there. So I'm going to redo it. I think I need a different cotton ball. That one's a little dirty. Alright. Get some nail polish remover. Give it a good clean. Alright. Make sure it's dry so that acetone doesn't mess with your image. And then scrape. Pick up. And I like that one way better. So then you would just line it up on the white. And then it makes that color show through because you have that white base instead of the dark color. So now the next layer is this over here, and I'm going to do that in black. So it has these little stars on the side that you want to get to. Don't need too much polish because these are, well, these ones you need a little bit, but this one over here is just some fine lines. And alright, so then this is where you just layer it on top like this. Kind of press down for a minute and wiggle, and there we go. So now I have 3 cups, and so now on my thumb I'm going to do some words over here. So I am going to use latex. I kind of forgot. I'm using Bliss Kiss Simply Peel. So I'm going to apply that around my nail because that is a huge image. And I'm going to let that dry for a minute and go in with this plate while I wait. Because like I said, I'm using half a cup of cheer, and then I think I'm going to do it in white just to make it pop out. So you want to apply and scrape. I like to do 2 scrapes just to get it nice and filled in there. And then I'm just getting all this off with my nail, and then I get it off later. Alright, so then right in the middle, have a cup of cheer. Just like that. And then I'm gonna clean this one and set it aside. Alright, so this is not dry, so I will be right back. This one takes, I accidentally put it on kind of thick, so let me let it dry. Alright, so I kind of want it where it says, well, I guess just anywhere, because they're just words. So just getting a little bit of polish. Close this black one before I forget. And then scraping. And then I always do the thumb the other way because that's how I take my pictures. It just lays on the side. So there's that. Like I take my pictures like this, so then the writing is the right way. It all depends on if you even take pictures of your thumb. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I'm going to clean this and then peel this off. So now it's just a tiny little bit of cleanup around there. And then I'm going to use Clear Jelly Stamper Smear Not Top Coat on all of my nails. I need to order some more. It really is amazing, and it does not smear your artwork at all. I can stamp and use it right after, and it's good to go. It's never smeared for me yet. Alright, so there is the finished design. I hope you guys get some ideas and let me know if you try this. I hope you have a great week. See you later. Bye.